optometry and supplies equipment, and there's no item specifics. The next item is in letter folders, and you can see it's got item specifics. The next one is in digital video recorders. It also has item specifics. If I flip through them slowly, no big deal. But I'm going to tap the right arrow 3 times. I found this out when I was trying to get from this item down to this item quickly. So I tapped 1, 2, 3. And now you can see that this item still has the no item specifics. The next item took on the category from the previous item, optometry equipment and supplies, and it got rid of all the item specifics. The next item did the same thing, and the next item, it didn't affect that one. But I've screwed up a lot of my listings this way, trying to flip through them without realizing the problem. Also, when you go back and try to correct it, okay, so this one, give me a second here and let me find the category number. Okay. So, for letter folders, the category is 58263. Okay, so now we're going to go back over here, type in 58263. Now, as soon as I hit go, you see that none of these fields changed at all. It's not until I actually click letter folders, now they change, and now I can fill it in again. So, those are the problems that I'm finding the glitch, and I'd appreciate